Finary app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finary is a net worth tracking and investment analytics platform designed to give investors a complete picture of their financial health. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a simple tracker, but Finary offers advanced portfolio analysis and asset aggregation. The free plan allows users to connect a limited number of accounts, track net worth, and monitor portfolio performance. This is ideal for casual investors who want an overview of their financial situation. Premium plan, around £2 per month, unlocks unlimited account connections, deeper analytics, asset allocation insights, and benchmarking against peers. For example, you can see how your portfolio performs compared to market averages or similar investors. In conclusion, Finary pricing scales with your financial needs. For users get basic net worth tracking, while Premium provides powerful analytics and insights to optimize investment decisions. Choosing the right plan ensures you get the most value for your money.